Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this washable rug from LIMON Home is the perfect addition to my living room.
When I'm looking for a rug, there is a lot more to just looks for it. For me, I need to have something that is easy to clean, that is nice and grippy, and that is complementary to my space. So this rug hit all of those points for me. It is super, super pretty, but I love that it is machine washable and it is also super easy to vacuum, which sometimes machine washable rugs are not. We have a lot of pets in our home, so this is something that is really important to me. And this rug is definitely a high quality piece in my home. I am so happy with it, and I definitely think it is worth purchasing.
I love that this rug feels like a blanket and is machine washable. It really makes a huge difference for me, and I love it, and that's my point of view.